loves, it's Sam. So I'm super excited because today I am going to be doing a Yoga Club unboxing. I've never tried this box before and I was really intrigued because I mean basically who doesn't love yoga pants? I live in them, especially since I work from home. Majority of the time I am in yoga pants and yeah, a lot of the time for filming, I'm in a really cute fancy top and then I'm in yoga pants or pajama bottoms on the bottom. But most of the time I'm in yoga pants and then like a little comfy sweater or comfy shirt and a cardigan. They're just like so comfortable. So it's a subscription service that comes to your door with yoga gear. So sometimes you're gonna get some kind of like workout stuff. You're going to get yoga pants, shirts, maybe sweaters. So this is what the box looks like. And it just says Yoga Club. So it's really cute, it's bright pink. And then I have everything on right now because I'm gonna show it to you guys on. But the other item that I got in my box was this. And it says it's a H-band Manduka. So I'm really not sure what it is. And then I got a sports bra, yoga pants, and this t-shirt that I'm currently wearing. So it's a headband. So if you're working out and you just want to keep your hair up, then there's a cute little headband. It's kind of like almost like a tie-dye, and it's by Manduka. You fill out a big survey of like what colors you like, what kind of pants you're looking for, what kind of bras you like, if you like cropped yoga pants or if you like full leg, if you want colors or if you want patterns. So there's like a good amount of questions that they ask you so that they know like what kind of items to send you that will fit into your kind of style and wardrobe. And then the items that you get are 60% off of what they would retail for. So there's brands like Free People, Manduka, Beyond Yoga. So like they're really nice brands and then you're gonna get them at a way discounted price. So it is $79 for the box, but you don't have to do it monthly. You can either do it monthly, bi-monthly, or quarterly. So it's up to you as far as like how often you want the box. Seeing as it is $79, if you are like, oh my goodness, I can't do that every month, then you can do it every other month or you can do it quarterly. So they kind of give you that option, which I think is really nice. You're basically paying $79 for the box, not necessarily $79 per month. So that can be completely customized to what you want to spend, which I think is just like really nice and convenient. And they have a super fun referral program. So for every person that you recommend, they get $10 off of their membership. And then when they sign up, you get $10 off of your membership. So it's a really good incentive for you to, you know, get your friends to sign up too, because then you get to save some money off of yours. So that's really exciting. If you are someone who has a lot of friends on Facebook, you can share your link on there or on Instagram, and that way they save money and you save money as well, and then you can get your box for cheaper, which is always nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what came in my box on my body so that you guys see exactly how they fit. I'm gonna say right off the bat, this bra is so comfortable and these pants are unbelievable. They're so soft. I need to look up what the brand is because I have no idea. Let me see here. They're by Beyond Yoga. Oh, they're amazing, you guys. I think I got them in a medium. Yeah, I got a size medium and they fit perfectly. I'm pretty sure I got the bra in a medium as well, but I'll have to check. But like I just put them on and I'm literally like, oh, I'm never gonna take these off. They're so smooth and so silky. They're just unbelievably soft. Like the material, I don't know what it is. I don't know if it says it on here. But honestly, after trying these, I would definitely recommend Beyond Yoga for leggings or yoga pants. They are just so soft, but really like quite a nice thick material to where you don't feel like your whole entire like everything as far as your behind is on show. Like even though these are a really light pink, I don't feel like they show my cellulite or lumpy bumpies at all. Like they're really nice. And then this shirt is like a really nice cut. I love the color. I mean, everything is just so great. So I'm super excited to show you guys what came in my box. Let's go ahead and get started. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. If you haven't given me a thumbs up, please do so. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, please do so. I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link down below for you guys to go ahead and sign up for Yoga Club. You would take that survey, it would tell you, it asks you about what kind of workouts you do, what's your body type, what colors you like, what kind of fit you like, and then they can pick out the best items for you based on that survey. So I'm super excited to show you guys my stuff. It is so cute. Let's go ahead and take a little peek. These are the pants. These are the ones that are Beyond Yoga. They're a size medium. They are such a beautiful, kind of like soft peachy, pinky color. I love them. They really do feel just like oh, I don't even know what the material is, but they feel amazing. So I love the color of this tank that comes with it. I like the kind of rib where it looks like it's inside out, but it's actually not. And then it's kind of like a tee, but then a tank at the same time. It's kind of like in between, and it has a nice shape to it, and then it kind of comes down, which I think is really pretty. And this is something that I could wear together. Like, it's really cute, but it's still like nice and cool to wear if I'm like hot and sweaty, I'm good. And then I have a sports bra on, which I'll show you in a second. But what I love about these pants is like, look how nice and smooth they are. They really kind of like smooth out your skin. They don't show any like lumps and bumps as far as cellulite goes. Like, they're really just very flattering. So yeah, I think those are amazing. Like, I've never tried Beyond Yoga before, and I absolutely love them. I definitely would want to get more of these. I just think the color is great. The way they feel, the material is just absolutely lovely. And then that's what they look like from behind. So you can see like they're really flattering on the butt and the legs. Like, they really just look so good. They hide all of the lumpy bumpies, any kind of cellulite, and then they kind of just like lift up your butt a little bit. Like, look how cute those are. That is a nice legging, and then that's what the back looks like from the shirt. So you can see it's pretty nice. It's nice if you're looking for like a nice fitted little top to work out in. P.S. This tank top is free, people, and it retails for $38. So just the bra was $52 and the tank was $38. So that alone right there is more than the box itself. And that's not even including the leggings. So yeah, you guys, this is amazing. I didn't even realize this was free, people, until I took it off. No wonder I like it. It's because it's free, people. And then here's the tag for the pants. So they retail for $97. So just like I said, I just bought a pair of yoga pants for $98. These ones are $97. So right there, you have more than paid for your box with just buying one pair of yoga pants. But instead, you've gotten a bra, a tank top, yoga pants, and a headband, all for 79 bucks. So there you go. That just proves it right there what a good deal it is. TLF Apparel. Idiot. This is in a medium, and it is the TLF Bound Bra Soft White. And it retails for $52 for just the bra alone. The straps are really cute. I like how they kind of do that little crisscross, so it has, I don't know, it just looks pretty with a little bit of detailing there. It comes down nice. It's really comfortable. This is a medium. I feel like it fits me really well. And then it has like the little logo right there. It feels very comfortable. Like it's holding me in, but it's not like too tight to where I'm like, can't breathe. So yeah, I really like this. I just really like the straps because that looks really pretty. It's not like this big, huge sports bra strap. It's like, you know, kind of dainty still. So there you guys go. There is my yoga club outfit for this month. I am obsessed with these pants. This is basically just I'm just gonna wear this today because now they're on, I don't want to take them off. They're really comfortable. So I would definitely recommend Yoga Club. This outfit that I got is great. I'm really impressed. Probably the bra and the yoga pants are my favorite. The top is really cute though as well. Normally I go for something a little bit less fitted, a little bit kind of looser, but I think it's really flattering and I like the way it looks. And I think that would be actually a piece that I could wear underneath like a cardigan or a blazer or like a cute little jacket in the spring as well. So that's one of those pieces that I could mix and match, not just for like working out, but also for like regular wear as well. So, and I have this bra as well, I will definitely wear under just regular clothes because it's really comfortable. So I would definitely check out Yoga Club. Again, I will link it down below for you guys so you guys can go and check it out. It's so good, it's so cute, and I'm so happy with these pieces. They're so cute. They're exactly my style. They're just what I would want, that I would pick out myself. A huge savings if you are someone who just consistently wears yoga pants and kind of like athletic gear. This is definitely a great way for you to get a nice pair every month, 2 months, or quarterly and save yourself some money versus just going and buying the yoga pants and then spending more than the whole box itself. So I would definitely recommend this box. I think it's a great way to get some really nice things and save yourself some money. So thank you guys so much for watching. A huge thank you to Yoga Club for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you guys very soon.